These are the brand new Madbull Ultimate Ball Bearing Spring Guides. These spring guides come in two sizes, version 3 and a version 2. They're made mostly of CNC aluminum, so they're very lightweight. The version 3 spring guide comes in anodized green, and the version 2 comes in anodized red. These spring guides feature a skinnier shaft that allows you to use all types of springs in all shapes, sizes, and tension. The shaft is also built in with the top hat of the ball bearing, which allows for free spinning, increasing your rate of fire, as well as easing the tension inside your gearbox. These forks allow for easy installation. They fit right in with ease. These are the Madbull Ultimate Ball Bearing Spring Guides.